Welcome back everybody. So today we are going to be making a bowl out of ash. So we're just marking out for the mortise here. And now we're marking out for the foot. So we're just about to start turning it around to shape now. We're going to start using the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools and get it round to the shape that we want. Alright. So now we're going to work on the bottom now, and we are going to create the mortise. So first tool is going to be the mid-size detailer. I'm just going to work out there where the mortise is going to be. Clean it out with the #1 hollower. Flatten everything off with the mid-size rougher, and back to the detailer to match the angle of the jaws. Alright, as you can see the top of the bowl blank is a little bit wonky, so we're going to go in with the detailer. No, tell a lie, we're going to go in with the rougher just to flatten it off. Now we're going to go in with the detailer and we're going to put in a couple of details. And now we're going to enhance them details with the Carl Jacobson signature wire burner, and there is Carl. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, so now we're just going to do the sanding of 240 grit. This is from Clean Spore Abrasives. A beautiful grain. I'm going to just quickly give it a quick wipe with methylated spirits or denatured alcohol, depending on where you are in the world. And some sanding sealer. Alright, so now we've got some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. There is links down in the description for any of this. If you wish to try it, there is UK and US distributors. Like I say, link down in the description. Just wipe this all over and you just rub it in until you get a clean paper towel, and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. There we go. And on to the next step, which is some Hampshire Sheen wax. If anybody's interested in any Hampshire Sheen products I've used in this video, there will also be a link to that down in the description. So I'm just rubbing it all over nice and slowly at the moment. And after that, you just let all the solvents evaporate. Turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200. And then you buff it all in. Not pressing too hard. You don't want to rub all the wax off. You want to build up the heat, like I say, not pushing up too hard. And like I say, just buff it all in. Build up that shine. And there we go. Shiny. Alright, so we're on the top now, or the inside, and we're going to start with the number 1 hollower. Just by leveling off the top. And now we're going to start taking it all away.
Every time we leave, I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign, know that in your head. Lonely together at its best. Oh.
And just going on with the rim now, just to flatten that off. And there we go. On to sanding. Just moving the tool rest out of the way. There's another cameo there. There's a few flies about. Anyway, on to sanding. So, like I said, I was before, I've already done most of it. So I'm just doing the 240 grit here once again with cling spore abrasives. And once again cleaning that grain out with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. And some sanding sealer from Hampshire Sheen. Back once again with the Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Made by Easy Wood Tools, and it is sold by Northside Custom Crafts in the USA or Axminster in the UK. There we go, just wipe it all in until it gets a clean paper towel and you're ready for the next step. And then more Hampshire Sheen wax. Like I say, rub it all over. Let the solvents evaporate, and then you turn on the lathe until it goes to about 1000 to 1200 once the solvents have evaporated, and then you buff it in, not pushing too hard. Like I say, you don't want to buff all the wax off. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. If you wouldn't mind sharing it with your friends, share it with your family, and share it with your enemies if you like. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big old thumbs up. There'll be some pictures at the end. And until the next one, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.